Hi y'all! So today I wanted to show you the StarCraft. This is the Holographic Glitter, and I wanted to show you the full collection today as of the date of this video. Now, you know, who knows, they may get more colors in later, but anyway, I wanted to show you the Holographics. You can just see that good rainbow shine to the glitter, and the difference between like a holographic and a metallic is, so the metallic is going to have kind of this like just metallic pink, and the pink in the holographic will have that rainbow shine. So you can see the difference. This pink flamingo is one of their metallic colors. So let's get started. This is Honeymoon. It is a light milky pink. This is Paradise Pink. It is a pink. Really pretty. This is Strawberry Daiquiri, and it's kind of that strawberry, little hint of red to it, strawberry pink. This is Tahitian Pink. It just has a little bit more of like, I don't know, a purpley or a magenta hue to it. So this one's a little bit more magenta-y. Difficult to kind of show the difference on those. On the camera anyway. In person you can see it. This is Lava. It is the red. It is a good red. This is Sangria. It is a deep red. This is Bahama Mama. And this is kind of like a pumpkin orangey red color. Really cool. Reminds me of like a sunset or something. And speaking of which, this one's called Sunset. This is an orange. The orange holographic. This is Sunshine. It is a yellow. This is Key Lime, and it's kind of a kiwi or a lime green. This is Hula Girl. It's kind of a grass green. That's what I would call that one. Ooh, Crystal Waters. And this one is kind of almost like a minty teal, is how I would explain it. A real light teal color. There is Atlantis. Try to get kind of close up on here and get a good focus. Even though it's hard for cameras to focus on glitter sometimes. That one's kind of like a medium teal color. And there is Bay Blue. So it's just like a, kind of like a medium blue, like just a good ocean blue color. There is Yacht Club. This one I'm going to open up. I don't know why, I just want to see inside this one. So this is like, not quite a cobalt. If I explained it as a color, I would say it's kind of like a dusty cobalt. Good medium blue color too. There is Caribbean or Caribbean, tomato, however you say it. I wonder how the locals say it that live in the Caribbean. Maybe someone knows. All right, that is kind of this one's kind of like a royal blue. I'll go ahead and pull the top off. Sometimes I feel like you can see it a little bit better pulling those tops off. There, yep, you can see it a little better that way. All right, and the next color is Havana Nights. And this one is kind of like a a fuchsia purple, an orchid purple. Very pretty. It says Boardwalk. This is a brown. A nice, good chocolate Easter bunny brown. Not a dark chocolate, a milk chocolate. This one is Starfish. And this one's kind of, it has like another little color mixed in with it. You can kind of see it through here, I feel like, in the video. And it's kind of like a gold color, like a light gold. This is Starfish. This is Tan Lines. And this one's kind of a good, like, yellowy gold color. Pretty. Alright, and this is Volcano. And this is a black. Black holographic. Oh, that's so pretty. I want to open this one too. I just love getting that glitter on my desk. So pretty. Just saving some for later, that's all. Beautiful color. I love the black. I'm excited about doing some projects with that. So that black is Volcano. And then there's one called Black Pearl. And this one is definitely like a gunmetal or even like a pewter tone. Again, I'm going to take the lid off this one. I just want to see it up close. Oop, I bumped the camera tripod. Yeah, you can see that in there. Kind of like a gunmetal, pewtery, silvery color. And then we have the last one, which is Stingray. And I didn't do a perfect job of it. I'm not a professional at doing nails by any means, but I did add a little Stingray and tapped it on and brushed it onto my clear nail polish that I had for a little hint of sparkle. And this is the silver holographic. Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned. I will also do the metallics. You can purchase all of these glitters on 651vinyl.com, and thanks for joining us. Bye.